Introduction to Worker Management Relations. What are some of the challenges you face in your factory today? Are the rise of labor costs, labor shortages, turnovers, labor disputes some of the issues you might be concerned about? Labor costs are going up and worker retention is becoming more difficult. Have you considered the costs associated with worker turnover? The cost of worker turnover includes direct and indirect costs associated with termination of employees, thereafter recruiting, advertising, selection. Onboarding new workers also costs the factory. New workers generally require job skills training, which will delay the time for them to be ready for work, and increase risk of rejects or reworks during learning curve period. Other costs incurs from loss of skills, late delivery, potential production rearrangement, overtime, etc. While the replacement effort is costing the factory, it is also likely to cause overtime labor cost and overburden on existing workers. The research indicates that indirect costs can be 2 to 5 times higher than direct replacement costs. Working at factories is becoming less desirable for new labor force, who seeks mental stimulation, attractive work environment, reasonable work hours, and better pay. Competition for retaining good workers is intense. In addition to providing competitive wages, the factory must support emotional and intellectual needs of workers for better retention. To overcome these challenges, your factory needs to build strong worker management relationship that will motivate workers to contribute, increase employee retention, and create positive working environment in the workplace. In order to create such positive environment, factory leaders must encourage communication. How? Here are some proven ways.